name. Wally World. They back for them Black Friday deals. I gotta walk through this in 24-degree weather. For parking people, by people? Nah. Nice Kia K5. Wally World. Fiance wants some cookie dough. We'll get some cookie dough. Leave it up. Almost got hit. Well, didn't leave the parking lot yet. Round two. When your fiance says she needs some tortillas, we're gonna get some tortillas. So back in we go. Parked on the other side this time. Couldn't find the tortilla she wanted, so we off to Walmart numero dos. Yeah. I did not make it. That man got one tail light working. Had to turn my heated seats off. My back is burning. Man, I need a car wash. I just made it worse. Kinda. My car is dirty. So I got a question for y'all, man. Are y'all the type to go out in traffic while you're waiting to turn left and you stay at the line? Me personally, I can't be at the line, man. I don't like it when I'm waiting behind people at the line, man. Also, I want to know if there's a setup. I'm gonna expose myself, my sunroof dirty. I want to see if there's a setup where I could just hang my phone off the sunroof, something that can stick to it, and I can just have a POV like this. Like, that's hard, right there. I gotta find something like that, man, because that'll make POVs way easier. I've seen that there's like, I've seen it on TikTok, seen it on Amazon, like a chest mount, like a magnetic foam mount type. But I feel like it'll be right here. My chest is like right here. So this is all y'all gonna see. And if I use a GoPro mount, well, I ain't got my GoPro no more. I sold it. When I had it, it was like all the way up here. So it's like, that ain't a good view. So need something to be like right here. That's hard right there. So yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm about to get me some potato wedges from Walmart too or something, because I'm starving. I had coffee this morning. That just made me feel like dizzy. That is no bueno. Should I make some noise here? Oh my goodness, I redlined. That was bad. Alright. Am I the only one that deals with that? Like, you push the paddle on your charger and it just don't be going? It just don't be shifting? Cause I redlined my car because it does that. It's annoying. I'm like, bro, I know I pressed the button. I ain't got no room to do nothing. Scooch over. Yeah, I had no room to do nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find a mount like that. Something that can hold my phone. Cause I'll be, yeah, I would be okay. I'm just playing. Probably gonna make it to the other Walmart, y'all. In the video. But we on a search for La Banderita tortillas. Because you know, yo sé poquito español, you know what I'm saying? My fiance teaches me words here and there, you know what I'm saying? And I learned a little bit of this and that over the years, you know what I'm saying? Yo necesito gasolina. I got 59 miles left. I see this Honda everywhere. I think they work for Walmart or something. I always see them at Walmart. Going over some train tracks. Let's see if we all over the place or not. Was it bad? Wasn't bad. Well. They got rid of King. Popeyes sound good right now, I ain't gonna lie. Just waiting to turn. Just waiting to turn. Let's go. Got my brother back there. See that brother back there. My windows are dirty. Don't mind that. Gonna look for these tortillas. And in the video. Come on. Come on. Ain't nobody coming. Come on. Well. At the second home. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh, we got 392 Durango. 392 Durango. Spot opened up just for me. Hopefully I don't get door dang because it's Walmart. Y'all ever come back to your car from when you go to Walmart and there's a cart just laying on your car? Yeah, I have. Here in Meyer. Crazy. I have the window open, I forgot. We got what she was looking for. Well, let's go get our potato wedges and then we gonna be done. I ain't got it, y'all. See, might have to heat it up, but it's cool. Yeah. Back to fiance. But alright, y'all, thanks for watching another video. I'm probably gonna do a lot more POV drives. Oh wait, I ain't going in that lane. I'm gonna do a lot more POV drives, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Let me know if y'all make it this far and want me to talk more in the videos or leave it silent. But see y'all in the next one.